Hey, what's up, guys? Back in America, getting jacked and juicy yet again. So, this is not clickbait, guys. I'm going to get straight to the point. This is going to be a more serious tone video. I am going to be, for the most part, pulling away from Amazon KDP. Reason being, and part of this I'm going to attribute to the summer slump, but just to show you my earnings, month to date, it's been 16 full business days in America. It's the morning of the 17th at the time of me filming. And I'm not doing horrible, I guess. I'm up $12,000 in terms of gross revenue. I'll just tell you my net spend right now. My net spend's around like $5,000. So 17 days in, well, 16 and a half days in, I'm like $7,000 net profit. But I'm just gonna just get to the point here. Look at this. Okay, so I start off pretty strong in the month, and the summer slump has hit yet again. So my earnings are just really getting beat down. And yesterday, I only grossed $568. And, to a lot of you, that probably sounds amazing, but I was grossing 13, even 1,400, even $1,500 a day just a couple months ago. Like, I am just getting hammered no matter what I do with publishing on KDP. And it's also indicative on my page reads, if you can follow the red curve here with my page reads. I'm pretty strong overall with getting page reads from my fiction books. But due to the summer slump, especially right here, if you take a look at this part of the curve, I'm just really getting hit. And no matter what I do, no matter how much money I wanted to throw, I'm just seeing a decline in my page reads. It was evident here. I had some new releases come out to revitalize my page reads, and then it's just dropping off again. So, this is due to two things. Again, the summer slump, and the overall Kindle Unlimited program is just not warranting the page reads it used to, especially back in 2017, as I was told. And I saw a little bit of this in early 2018 when page reads, early 2019, I was able to see it. In 2018, it was still more lucrative, but I'm just getting hit hard. And page reads just suck right now in the industry. I'm being told that for most authors, earnings just suck. Okay, so it's looking like KU. It's always going to be viable. You can always make money. I'm obviously making money. I mean, I can make a living off this, I suppose. But it's just not as crazy lucrative as it used to be. So, and also with that, it's also very expensive to run in KU. So yeah. Now my ad spend has dropped significantly since the past couple of months. So my profit's still pretty solid compared to before. But my ad spend is like $270 to $300 a day. Okay, why am I gonna throw $300 just to make $568 gross? Like that sounds, to a lot of you, that sounds awesome, but for me, I want at least 2x returns when I throw out ad spend. 3x would be preferable, like how it used to be. So what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to get to the point, I am pulling most of my books away, especially with my former roster of books, like my older series, off from Kindle Unlimited, and I'm publishing wide. And I've already set up my account on draft2digital.com. It's a platform where you can publish to multiple distributors. So you've got the Kobo, iTunes. Let's see, do they cover here? I sure hope they do. So you can publish on multiple platforms. And let's see here if I can just quickly show you. Okay, so you got Amazon. You can still publish on Amazon. Apple Books, Barnes & Noble. This is a big one. Rakuten, Playster, Scribe, Tolino, all these good bad boys here. So we got that covered. So I've got I've got reasons for this. Number one, I can. Well, there's a lot of reasons. I don't want to get too intricate, I guess, with strategy. Although I think I can talk about it openly here. Number one, I'm not going to be in the KU program, so thus I can publish in other stores and have my work distributed to theoretically a wider audience space because these other stores still have audiences, so that's important. Number two, I can actually now increase the list price of my books when they're sold wide. So I typically sell anywhere from 99 cents, which sucks, to as high as, for individual titles, $3.99. And $3.99, I'm happy with the royalties made off that. But when you're publishing wide, from what I've researched and what I've been coached on with empirical evidence, you can charge $5.99, even $6.99 for an individual book and make a really good royalty. So that's pretty lucrative. Reason number three, why I want to get on Draft 2 Digital is because, again, from market research, what I've seen is that you can publish now shorter books and, dare I say it, lesser quality books than this like 5-star quality stuff I'm putting out right now. I can now take it down to like 40,000 word shorter books. I don't need to spend like a really lot of money on covers anymore. I already kind of stopped doing exclusives with the summer, but now I can get away with just a $100 cover, simpler design. I don't have to go too hard on finding models for exclusive use on my covers. So that's cool. Well, I've got a lot of reasons. I'll just tell one more, and then I'll tell two more. Another reason is I don't have to spend as much to promote my books wide, because I don't have to. I'll have a wider distribution base. So I can theoretically make more sales spending less and have really good margins that way. And the ultimate last reason that people seem to overlook is that there is a difference in policy with KDP's terms of service versus Draft 2 Digital. According to what I've read in the terms of service with Draft 2 Digital, there is nothing that prohibits me from using a VA manager or having multiple people having access to my Draft 2 Digital account and manage it for me. Now, that's in stark contrast to Amazon, where if you go to Amazon's terms of service, you will clearly read that you can only have one operator, one person manage your account, and that's usually you. So by definition, with the Amazon terms of service, you cannot have a VA manager, a friend, whoever, manage your account. It has to be solely you. Now, you can play tricks, I suppose, with VPNs and whatnot, but I run a pretty big operation, guys. Why would I risk my account that makes good money with something stupid like having a VA manager manage my account 15 minutes a day when I can spend that 15 minutes a day myself? Okay? So that's my reason being for that. But on the contrast side, I'll be honest, I am a little bit not fed up by any means. I still have fun publishing, but when it comes to like a day-to-day maintenance and operations of my account, I am willing to outsource that so long as it's done safely and intelligently. And with Draft 2 Digital, I am allowed to hire a VA manager and have them manage my account. He'll probably end up being my coach, and I can just now be a little bit more passive with my operations without breaking any rules. And I'm just telling you this because you're going to hear from other sources that you should totally have a VA manager access your KDP account. That's going to risk you getting banned. It's going to risk you misrepresenting how many people are going to be at your Cancun event. It's going to lead to a lot of bad things, including making a jackass out of yourself on YouTube. You just don't want that. So I won't show my books, but I'll be working on Draft 2 Digital as time goes on. I'm also doing audiobooks now. So my income is going to be more diversified with publishing along with the overall diversification that I'm doing with my income streams in the real world. So, you know, I'm not really here to bash much, but people say that, you know, you gotta be more than a Kindle publisher, you gotta be a business owner. But even if you're a Kindle publisher that uses outsourcing and publishes wide, you're still a Kindle publisher. Okay, so you're not really a full-time, sustainable, long-term, self-employed person or even an entrepreneur unless you have some diversification outside of the publishing world in its entirety. So that's all I got to say, guys. I am leaving Amazon. I think that this is a move that I am going to be doing without regret. It's not something, unless like Amazon like really changes its strategy with KU, but that's not likely to happen. They're at an industry low with page read payouts in the past couple of years. So going wide is a good play. It gives me literal immortality online. I'm not going to get blocked by all distributors for my books. That's just about impossible. So this is the strategy going forth, and I wanted to share it with you so that maybe usually people watching my channel are more advanced Kindle publishers that might want to think about diversifying a bit more, or you're newer to publishing overall and you want honest, transparent information that's actually good information, in my opinion, and you have some idea of what to expect moving forward with your business. So that's all I got to say, guys. I'm just so busy with working up everything I've got going for Elite Business Dynamics. Now, when people say that they've got spots left and they've promised 150 publishers are coming, whatever. I've got 28 people attending EBD. My contract for the event allows me 30 people. I literally only have 2 spots left. So if you're interested in signing up, I'm going to leave you a link below. Otherwise, I literally only have 2 spots left. I'm very happy with the turnout. I consider it to be a huge success considering it's our first event. I'm just really excited to get going with it. At the same time, I'm also honestly anxious to just make sure everything delivers to everyone's expectations, as a ticket for the EBD was 3 times more expensive than my fellow competitors. So it's gotta deliver immense value. So I'm gonna keep working, guys. Until then, ask any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you later. Take care.